In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to add and set up your Kick chat or Kick live chat on OBS Studio. So go to your Kick and log into your Kick account. Now click on your profile photo and go to Creator Dashboard. From Creator Dashboard, make sure you have selected the Stream option. And this is your Kick Stream dashboard. Here you get your chat panel. Just click on this three dot next to your chat panel and open chat in pop-out chat mode. And now you have to copy this chat link. Then go back to your OBS Studio. Under sources, click on this plus icon, select browser. I'm typing here Kick chat and paste here the chat link and click on OK. And here, as you can see, I have successfully added live Kick chat on my OBS Studio. So I'm sending some random messages on my Kick, and here you can see all live messages are showing on my OBS. So that's how you can actually do it.